writers, it's me, Mrs. Opfer. I'm really excited for writing workshop today. I know that we've been working on our how-to stories for a few weeks, and we are really pros at knowing how to write a how-to story. So today I wanted to talk about how to make your writing easier to read. Because our goal, of course, is to be able to share our writing with our brothers and sisters, with your teachers, definitely, with your grown-ups. And sometimes it's hard to read the words you wrote. So today we're going to talk about how writers can use spaces, I like a one-finger space, but spaces between words to help make our writing easier to read. I want you to keep that in your mind today. We're going to be working on using spaces between words. That will make our writing and our how-to stories much easier to read. I've started on a story today called How to Water a Plant. And you know, I love to work in the garden. I love flowers. I love plants, especially succulents. I thought this would be a perfect how-to story topic for me. And you know, I really took my time on my title. And how did I do with my spacing there? How to water a plant. Oh, I'm going to give you the I agree sign. I agree. I added a one-finger space between each word. It was clear and easy to read. But then something happened. I got so excited. I had such a great idea for my first step, and I just wrote it down so fast. I think I forgot something. I'm going to try to read it to you. I want you to see, writers, if you can notice what I forgot. Here we go. How to water a plant. First, you will need a watering can with water. Whoa, what? Let me try that again. That was hard to read and to understand. First, you will need a watering can with, whoa, I can't, oh my goodness. What do you notice, writers? Oh, you're right. I smushed and I squished all of my words together like sardines in a can. Oh no. It was very hard to read my writing. I think I'm going to use that good idea. I thought the idea was pretty good. But this time I'm going to slow down and I'm going to make sure to put a space between each word. Can you help me read these words in the first step of my story? Let's do it. Oh, here's a great order word, but it's all squished with the next word. Ay. Okay, I'm going to just try it here. And it's okay to make mistakes. Oh my goodness, I make a million mistakes every day. But if we notice a mistake and we can make our writing better, we definitely should. I want to add a comma here too. First, let's see. Okay, that's going to help me. I'm going to put my finger there. Okay. I'm using a lot of snap words or sight words. First, you will, already that looks so much better. Okay, I just needed to slow down. That's all right. Need a watering, a water. Is going to be by itself. Okay. First, you will need a watering can. Watering can. You know what? I think watering can, that's actually two words there. So I'm going to do watering here. Watering. Then I'm going to put a space. Can with water. With water. That's, with one finger space. Oh, I don't have enough room here. I'm just going to come down to the bottom. No big deal. Water. And what do we need at the ends of our sentences, writers? Good. Period at the end. Let's read that sentence together now that it's easy to tell where a word starts and ends. Help me and read out loud. First, you will need a watering can with water. Wow, I'm really proud of myself. I fixed my problem. And you know, writers can fix their own problems while they're writing. I tried my hardest. Now, I did a quick sketch. I definitely need to go back and add some beautiful color, but I think I also want to add, here's a plant. I think I need, like maybe here's part of the watering can. You know how it has like little holes in it? I'll just show that, right? Because writers make their words and their pictures match. I'm gonna show that like someone's pouring it from here and you can't really see the whole thing. And then I'm gonna have like the little droplets of water kind of like coming out, right? That will help. Okay, and then I might wanna label. I might label pot. I might label, that's gonna be my watering can. Watering space can. And then here's some water. So I might label that water. Oh, okay. Definitely want to add some pictures and more details, but that's a good start. You know, every writer kind of works in his or her own way. And when I work, I like to do a quick sketch and then most of my words, and then kind of at the end, like to go back and add a little bit more detail and color to each picture. You might like that strategy too, writers. You also may have noticed that I'm using a different kind of story paper today. Your grown-up can print or get this kind of story paper ready for you, writers, because we're ready to write how-to books now. That means you can choose how many steps you want in your story. You might have a first, next, last, or a first, next, then last, or even a first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Whoa! I don't know if I've ever written a 5-step story. I should challenge myself. So if you want to write a 4-step story, ask your grown-up to print 4 pieces of this story paper for you. It will be blank. It won't have my writing or my pictures on it. It will just have the picture area for you, your name spot, and your writing area. And then your grown-up can help you staple your pages into a book. That's exciting. If you want to, you could even use a pretty colored piece of paper or a plain piece of paper and design a cover. That would be very, very special. So today, writers, we're going to work on writing how-to books with more than 1 page. And we're also going to keep in mind how we put spaces between our words. I want you to try those things today, writers, during your independent writing time. I'll see you soon. Bye.